Today we will be preparing smoked turkey. It will be prepared using the hot smoking method. What will we need for this? For this, we will need a hot smoking smoker, which is factory made and designed for smoking on a gas stove or over a campfire. We will need turkey meat, which has been pre-marinated and dried. This is how it's done. To prepare the marinade, take 4 cups of coarse salt, 8 liters of water, and 4 tablespoons of ground black pepper. And put all of it in the refrigerator for a day. After a day, take out the meat and hang it on hooks to air in a cool place, and then it can be hot smoked. Let's continue watching. Take a very hot smoking smoker. Pour in some wood chips or sawdust. Here it is. For this amount of meat, you need 2 handfuls of sawdust. You can take sawdust, any kind. Especially good are those from fruit trees, because they give a special color and character to the cooked meat. Do not use sawdust from spruce trees or walnut, as walnut will give an iodine taste and spruce will give a fir taste. We are not interested in that. Place the sawdust at the bottom. Now, the next step is to place on top a tray to collect the fat. On the tray, we place a special grid. I don't wash them because it will burn again. Washing in this case is a waste of time. We take the prepared turkey. In our case, it's turkey breasts. We place them skin side down. This is to prevent unwanted excess juices from dripping and spilling into the tray. Moisture will, of course, drip, but not as much as if we placed it skin side up. We arrange them. On top, we place another rack. For the second layer. And in the same way, we place the second layer on top of meat. After the meat is placed in the smoker, the next step is to close the smoker with a lid and lead the ventilation duct outside. For this, I use the window that we have in our room. I open it for ventilation and lead out the hose. Cover it. After covering the smoker with the lid, you need to take regular water and pour it into the gap that formed between the lid and the body. Approximately 150 to 200 grams of water, depending on the size of your smoker. This is done to prevent smoke from entering the room, as water is a good insulator. For smoke, the hose is secured at the top with a rope to prevent kinks. Because if there is a kink, the meat might taste bitter. In the end, we lead the hose outside for ventilation. So we have it set up. Here's the smoker. And the hose goes outside. We turn on the smoker first on high gas. And then we'll turn the gas down when it burns well. The turkey smoking has begun. Once smoke appears from the pipeline, the gas should be reduced. And wait for about 2 hours. Since our turkey is small, if the turkey is large, it will take about 4 to 5 hours, depending on the size of the turkey. But everything needs to be checked visually. Look at the appearance of the turkey every hour, and adjust the temperature depending on its condition. We'll wait until it's smoked. Let's see what we get. So, we smoked the turkey in a hot smoker. I took it out 5 minutes ago. Let's put it out in the air. Within an hour it should now be well ventilated, and after that we'll put it in the fridge and it can be eaten. The aroma is wonderful, everything is good. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for being with us. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.